Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video demonstration for you today that will show you how to create a portfolio website. So just before we get into it, we're going to be using Wix as the platform today to create our portfolio site. And if you want to try Wix out for completely free, there's a link to do so in the description just down below. Okay, so once you've watched the video, if it's something that you want to utilize and try it out, just click that link and you'll be able to use it for absolutely free. So with Wix, and luckily for us, it's got a range of templates built into it. Now, when you log into your Wix, it'll most likely, for the first time when you log in at least, launch into a wizard to help you create your site from scratch. However, if you've logged in before or that doesn't happen for whatever reason, or you skip it or whatever, you may come across this home page as well. So yours will look a little bit different because you won't have the same website as me. However, you will be able to access the button create new site in the top right hand corner there, as well as through this little drop down menu here on the left. So you can see if you hit that create new site button, that then boots up the wizard that takes us through the website making process. So obviously we're looking to make a portfolio site, so that comes up as a suggested category, so we're going to select that. You can then specify what kind of portfolio if you want to. We're going to do a games design one just because I saw that in the list, but you can just leave it as portfolio if you want. You can give it a name, so I'm going to just call it test for today's tutorial purpose, and then that will take you to this page which allows you to add different sections to your website. So have a think about what you may need on it. If it's not, if you don't select it here, you can add it afterwards, and this isn't finite. Okay, so I'm just going to go with the default portfolio. This then brings us to where we can select to bring to build the site to begin with a template. Okay, so I'm going to click that on the right hand side there, and I always recommend starting with templates because it's much easier to utilize something that looks or feels similar to what you want your site to look or feel like, and then modify it to become your site, as opposed to starting from scratch. You can obviously start from scratch, like I said, the previous dialog box that I just clicked, begin with a template. You can skip that whole process for a start, or you can just build one from scratch. So this is an option, and one that I'd recommend as well. So it's got an extensive range of presets in here. You can see that there's 47 pages of game design portfolio presets. So you can so you can browse that, have a very good look through those templates, okay? Because there's going to be something in there which suits your needs and looks like your site or what you want your site to look like, and it'll take you some time to find that. When you're looking through them, if you like something you like the look of, if you see something, hit the view button, and that'll allow you to kind of utilize it as an end user. This is what it would look like, from the basis of the template. Once you've found a template that you like the look of, if you just hit the edit button, that will then open the template in the Wix website editor. And you basically have your portfolio site now. That will appear in your My Sites page, and you'll be able to access it. It'll auto-save everything you do for it on it from this point. And that's how you've sort of created your site. So obviously I'd assume that your name's not Sarah Blake, or Sasha Blake, sorry. So I'm going to just select that text and double click it, and then you can enter whatever you want in there. Okay, so you can just replace that with whatever text by typing it in, access the settings, and you get the idea is that you'd modify this to kind of become your portfolio. You'd replace the images that are in the gallery, maybe modify the header, change the menu items, and use links to your work, or house them on the actual site itself on different pages. Obviously you've got the ability to add pages from the pages and menu, and it's that simple. So we've got an extensive range of Wix tutorials on this channel. So if you're looking to get into the platform and learn specific things, have a browse of our Wix tutorials. It's just a kind of general overview of how to go about it. Once you've sort of created your portfolio then, and you're happy with it and you've got everything in place, you can preview it on mobile as well. So if you click that little icon there, it'll show you what it looks like on a mobile phone or a tablet. And then once you're happy with it, you can save it, auto saves like I said, and then publish. And that'll be your domain name up there. So to utilize a custom domain on Wix, you will need to pay the monthly subscription. So the basic monthly subscription allows you to do that, but that is not a free feature. Everything else you can do. However, your URL will look, it'll have the word Wix in it and a sort of number string afterwards. And that's it. That concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, if you want to give Wix a go now and try it out, there's a link just down below us in the description for this video that if you click, you get your own free trial version of it. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos or any questions, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.